Hi and welcome back to a new art journaling video. Today I'm using lots of pattern papers to create the background and also some paper napkin and a stencil. I use gel medium to glue my papers down. I go on top with a thin layer of gesso. I picked some paper napkin and added with gel medium. I'm using a Neocolor crayon to add more color to the flowers. I'm using a Pit Artist pen to redraw the lines that are under my paper napkin. I add some stamping to the background. I make some marks into the wet paint. I add some highlights with an acrylic fine liner. I used the Neocolor crayons to create a rainbow. I mixed some white acrylic paint with airbrush medium and water to create my own liquid acrylic to make some splatters. The butterflies are cut from a brush background and I ink the edges with walnut stain. I glue down the butterflies and also my title to finish up the page. Thank you for stopping by today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!